Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and today we are looking at the predicted questions for the Power and Conflict poems for English Literature Paper 2. Now, we wanted to sort of go over the sort of pattern throughout the last few years. And again, it's just a prediction, so this doesn't mean you completely disregard and forget about everything else. It's simply a prediction, and again, it's something that you want to consider and revise in your upcoming exams. So for the specimen paper, we saw that Ozymandias had appeared in that paper. And then in 2017, we didn't look at, but Bayonet Charge did appear in the 2017 papers. And then in 2018, we had Ozymandias. So if you look at this, we had Bayonet Charge, followed by Ozymandias. And then in 2019, we had War Photographer. So War Photographer is actually one of my favorite poems to study and also to teach. And in 2020, we had Remains. In 2021, we had London, and in 2022, we had Bayonet Charge. Now, if we sort of look at the patterns, we can see that generally they are actually war focused. So if we look at it in further detail, I am going to make a prediction that for this year's papers, the exam board are not going to be looking at war. They are in fact going to be looking at the other areas. So if you look at our channel, you would be able to know which poems you need to study and prepare for your upcoming exams. Now, like I said, can these appear again? Possibly, because if you look at 2017, we had Bayonet Charge, and in 2022, we also had Bayonet Charge. So don't be surprised if you see one of these appear once again. I have seen many people question and ask, is tissue going to appear in their upcoming exams? Now, in my opinion, I highly doubt it. The reason being, they need to write an answer, they need to give students a poem which everyone can answer. So we need to consider not everyone is a grade 7, 8, 9 student. There are students who are grade 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So to make it fair and plausible, I do believe the exam board may not give tissue, but you never know. If they do, then obviously the paper may be slightly challenging for more students. But regardless, what I would advise for this entire week and moving into next week as well, go over all 15 poems, knowing the themes, the key quotes, and also context as well, and some general sort of hidden meanings and interpretations of certain quotes. So that's something that I would advise in preparation for your Power and Conflict paper, for which is being sat this Wednesday. So if you would like to know my predictions for the Power and Conflict paper, which is being sat on Wednesday, please subscribe, like, and share. We have already created a video on that, so you can click on our channel and have a look at that for further detail. We are also going to do an in-depth analysis of some poems for your upcoming exam, so keep an eye out for that. Other than that, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share for more.